Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I'm going to try a whole new setup. It might make things worse, so we'll see how this turns out. But I got a package from Gan, and there is no box. And when you have no box, that means it's something special. Thing number one. This is a, I believe, Maglev Gan356. Sorry, I had to stop. I bought this for 20 bucks. Needs some repair, but my dog's trying to eat it, so. Okay, so this is a Maglev Gan356M. We've got the tensioning system that you have on a lot of the other major ones now. Yep, so this is matte plastic, non-adjustable magnets, very light, very fast out of the box. I believe it does have core magnets. So a core magnetized, very flexible. It's not very light tensions right now, but I'm not too worried about that. You know what that is. I want to look at this. This is the Gan iCarry 2. So there's a Gan iCarry S, which had a little more flexible core, a different battery system, newer tracking device, and the Gan iCarry was about 270-hour battery. The iCarry S was about 330. This one is said to have a 700-hour battery. I like that performance. I don't know if this core is the same as the iCarry S, like if it's flexible or not. This is... So for the Gan iCarry S and the Gan 12 UI, I did some back-to-back different solves and tried different things, and I got better times in the iCarry S. Now, that's not to say that that's a better cube, and a lot of people would argue, most people would argue that it's not because it's a lot more stable. I just like the feeling of this out of the box. Like I know I'm doing a lot of the same permutation. It feels very soft. Like it's light, but it has a feeling. The plastic feels how almost the Gan X did. Let's just connect to the app. Let's get this going. I always forget where things are. I think just training and then, no, not algorithm. Timer? Yep. So there's no lubrication here, and it has a really nice, just soft feeling to it. So I'm boasting about it, but I'm boasting about it in a smart cube way. Meaning, this is not a puzzle that I think people would, if this was not a smart cube, this would not make a lot of people's top list, just because it's a bit blocky, and it feels nice, but there's so many puzzles out there. Smart puzzles are becoming more like the regular ones that just have a core that you can connect to a phone or whatever it is, whatever it may be. But something that I like is not trying to get it exactly like every other cube, but almost did the wrong alg. Not trying to get it like every other cube, but just something that feels nice and controllable and is stable. Let's check the tension. Actually, I didn't even check that, I'm sorry. This has both. This has a tension for how tight the actual cube is, and then that can corner twist a bit if I force it to. And then it actually has a spring compression, which I don't think there was a tool for it in the bag, unless I just dropped it somewhere. Okay, just by this performance alone, this is my top pick for a smart cube to get. If you're gonna get a smart cube, get it. I'll have a link in the description where you can get it from Gan directly. If you don't have a smart cube, this is definitely the one to get. It performs great. I get great times on these puzzles. The app works well. I really like to use this with some websites, and their cubes have been encrypted, so I don't know if they'll ever be possible again with Gan puzzles, but with the app, it works great. So thank you very much, Gan, for sending this over. I'm going to do a red cross this time. Please hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. As always, stop by speedcubereview.com for more news and reviews.